I'm sorry, Polygon holders. Be honestly, I will tell you to Polygon is completely fails down also this time and also in the future. I will completely tell you. So I think this coin is completely go in the garbage. You know why I will tell you this? Because this is reality, my friend. You know, especially in the last 1 month, Polygon is gonna be viral and they make record, my friend, in crypto market. So I am also holder in this time also of Polygon. I cannot sell because I invest for a long time, and let's see if they fails down more, then definitely I am also going to sell it. Definitely, my brothers, if I am going to losting, then absolutely the decision is that too, I will sell it. So you can see at this time the chain last 1 hour, the chain last 24 hours, the chain last 7 days. It's mean to from last 7 days, not just from last 7 days. I think 10 to 15 days ago, 2 weeks ago, my friends, so this coin is completely fails down. So therefore, my friend, I will tell you in this video the reality of this coin to really get in the future they're moving upward or not, my brother. What's in the future? This time you can see, my friend, the live chart is on the screen, and this chart is completely showing, my brothers, to this coin is very badly fails down, my brother. So you know what's the reason to this coin is fails down? The price is come to 1.8 USD dollar to 1.2 USD dollars. So it's mean, my brothers, to they lost, I think, 0.6 USD dollar just in only in in 1 week, my brother. So if they fails down like that, they definitely it's mean, my brother, to this coin is completely going the garbage. You know what's the reason to this coin is fails down? There are two main reason, my friends. One reason is that to all cryptocurrencies is fails down, and all crypto market is very badly dumped down. So I think this coin is also fails down. And the second reason is that this is the start of month, and this coin also fails down. And yes, something if a holder starting selling, then definitely this coin also fails down. So I think the price is decreasing because the holders are starting selling. So holders, hope you understand. I will recommend you to if you are losing, then please sell it. Definitely this coin is going to be very badly dumped down in upcoming times. So I will tell you when they're moving upward, then definitely you buy it, and again they will give you a profit. But definitely this time you can see here there's completely fails down from last 2 weeks. So I recommend you to sell it and be safe from loss. Hope you understand, Polygon holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel. Remember, subscribe this channel.